Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bebo Coker. I hope you all are well. So let's start my today's vlog. So finally it was a cloudy and rainy day. अचानक से इतने खूबसूरत काले बादल आ गए and it was such a lovely weather. So I thought let's make a vlog. Since my last vlog, I didn't upload any because I was not well. I was really sick. But now, Alhamdulillah, I'm feeling much better. So I thought let's make this video and do voiceover and just upload my vlog, which I'm really excited for. So काले बादल आए, so everyone knew कि बारिश होगी, तो finally बारिश होना start हो गई and साथ में it was hailing that day. और साथ इतनी ठंड थी, इतनी ठंडी हवा चल रही थी कि बस दिल कर रहा था कि हम लोग ब्लैंकेट्स ले लें, हम लोग हुडीज़ पहन लें, स्वेटर पहन लें और अंदर रहें, चाय पिएं, पकोड़े खाएं. And weather को enjoy करें like rain. She was enjoying it so much. And then I went out as well and I enjoyed a lot. And then I felt so cold. I was like, let's go and make tea. फिर finally चाय बन गई and then I went out. मैं बाहर खड़ी हुई and weather enjoy कर रही थी and साथ चाय भी पी रही थी and हम लोगों का स्मोकी बाहर भाग गया.
I will keep on saying, Smokey, come out. Smokey!
And बाकी गाड़ी के नीचे छुप गया, which is his favorite spot. So then I had to open the hood of the car and then I check for Smokey, and as soon as I opened it, Smokey ran away और वो भाग के अंदर आ गया and finally we were relieved. And Horan was so angry with him. She's like, I have to slap him because he's been a bad cat today. And then I was like, let me slap him as well because उसने बहुत तंग किया आज. उसके बाद we went out for a round and we went Al Fateh. We wanted to get some stuff, groceries, and especially my noodles. Those were finished at home, so because of the rain and the cold weather, I don't know why, I just had the feeling of eating those spicy noodles. So I was like, let's go and get some stuff and noodles as well. And then finally I got these ones because I really like them. They are not so spicy, so at least I can eat them. I can't eat too much spicy stuff, even though मैंने इसमें इसका पूरा मसाला भी नहीं डाला था, मैंने थोड़ा सा डाला था. So we came home, I made them, I had them and लाइट चली गई. फिर हम लोग ऊपर बैठे हुए थे and हुरैन की मस्ती शुरू हो गई. So we had so much fun that day and then I was just recording my videos and मेरी चाय में बारिश का पानी चला गया. So guys, I hope you liked and enjoyed watching my vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So much love on your way. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.